Lesson 6. When Claude gets it wrong, and it will. Tom shared a Claude-drafted summary in a leadership meeting. It had one confidently wrong number. The CFO caught it publicly. Tom's lesson wasn't "don't use AI," it was "AI is the draft, not the final word." 3 real patterns. It can state a wrong fact or statistic with total confidence. This is called hallucination. It can miss recent events if web search isn't on. And on genuinely hard math or multi-step logic, it can make quiet arithmetic errors. None of these come with a warning label. That's the point of this video. Before you send anything Claude helped write, fact check, verify every number, name, and date independently. Voice check. Does this actually sound like you? Judgment check. Does something feel off even if you can't say why? 30 extra seconds every time. Ask, walk me through how you got that number, or what are you least confident about in this answer? Claude will often flag its own weak points when asked directly. It rarely volunteers them unprompted. When it goes wrong in public, own it fast, fix it cleanly. I noticed an error in what I shared. Here's the correction. Don't blame the AI. You're the author of anything with your name on it. Remember your irreplaceable you inventory from lesson 2? The mistakes you can spot in seconds that a newcomer couldn't? That list is your AI quality control edge. It gets more valuable, not less, the more AI output is flying around. Every caught mistake is a data point, not a verdict on you or on Claude. This is the cost of admission for the leverage you're about to get in the next lesson. Build your 3-step verification checklist. Catch one real AI error this week before it leaves your desk.
Claude sounds confident even when it's wrong. Confidence isn't accuracy. Run fact, voice, and judgment checks on everything before it goes out, and you're still the last line of defense.